Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 11 Perimeter and Area. Introduction. In class 6, we have already learned perimeter of plane figure and area of squares and rectangles. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure, while area is the part of plane or region occupied by the closed figure. In this class, we will learn about perimeters and areas of few more plane figures, squares and rectangles. Square. What is a square? It is a closed figure having four sides and all the four sides are equal. Let us represent side of a square by S. Then perimeter of a square is given by P equal to 4s, that is perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side, and area of a square it is given by area equal to s square, that is area of a square it is equivalent to side into side or side square. Now come to rectangle. Rectangle it is again a closed figure having four sides and opposite sides are equal. Let length of rectangle is A and breadth is B. Then perimeter of rectangle it is given by 2A plus 2B, and it can also be written as, if you take 2 common, then what is left? A plus B. Therefore perimeter of rectangle it can also be written as twice within the bracket A plus B, and area of rectangle it is equivalent to AB, that is length into breadth. Now say example 1. Here a door frame of dimension 3 meter into 2 meter is fixed on a wall of dimension 10 meter into 10 meter. Find the total labor charges for painting the wall if the labor charges for painting 1 meter square of wall is rupees 2.50. So see the solution. Here painting of wall has to be done excluding the area of door. The area of door is given by length into breadth. What is the length of door? It is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter. If you multiply it, you will get 6 meter square. Now area of wall excluding door, it is equivalent to side into side, that is 10 meter into 10 meter, that is 100 meters square. The area of wall excluding door, it is 100 minus 6, that is 94 meters square. Therefore total labor charges for painting the wall it is equivalent to rupees 250 into 94, and if you multiply it you will get rupees 235. This is your answer. Now come to example 2. The area of rectangular sheet is rupees the area of rectangular sheet is 500 centimeter square. If the length of sheet is 25 centimeter, what is its width? Also find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. To see the solution, here area of rectangular sheet, it is given to you, it is 500 centimeters square, and length of rectangular sheet is also given, that is 25 centimeter. From here we can find out breadth of rectangular sheet. Here area of rectangular sheet, it is given by L into B, where B is width of the sheet. So from here we can find out width, that is B. B, it is equivalent to area upon length. And what is area? It is 500 centimeters square upon length is 25 centimeter. And if you solve it, you will get 20 centimeter. This is the breadth of rectangular sheet. Therefore, perimeter of sheet, it is given by 2 into within the bracket length plus breadth. Here 2 into what is length? It is 25 centimeter plus breadth, it is 20 centimeter. Solve this. So 25 plus 20, it is 45. 45 into 2, you will get 90 centimeter. This is the perimeter of sheet. So the width of rectangular sheet is 20 centimeter and its perimeter is 90 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to example 3. Here, Anu wants to fence the garden in front of her house. See figure 11.5. On three sides with length 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. Find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. Here see the solution. Here the length of fence required is the perimeter of the garden excluding one side, which is equal to 20 meter plus 12 meter plus 12 meter, and if you add it you will get 44 meter. This is the length of fence. Therefore cost of fencing, it is given by rupees 150 into 44, and if you multiply this 150 into 44, you will get rupees 6600. This is your answer. Now come to example 4. A wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeter. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter, find its breadth, which encloses more area, the square or rectangle. To say the solution, side of a square, it is given to you, it is 10 centimeter. Therefore length of wire will be equivalent to perimeter of square, and perimeter of square, how will you find perimeter of square? It is formula is 4 into side, and side of square is 10 centimeter. Put its value, you will get 4 into 10 centimeter. Multiply it, you will get 40 centimeter. Therefore length of wire is 40 centimeter. Here length of rectangle, it is 12 centimeter. It is given to you. Let B be the breadth of rectangle. Now perimeter of rectangle, it is equivalent to length of wire, and it is 40 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of rectangle, it is given by 2 within the bracket length plus breadth. Here perimeter of rectangle, it is 40 centimeter equal to 2 within the bracket length is 12 centimeter, it is given to you, and breadth you have to find out. Here bring 2 on left hand side, it will be divided. We can write it as 40 upon 2. It is equivalent to 12 plus breadth. Therefore breadth will be here 40 divided by 2, it is 20, and bring 12 on left hand side, it will be minus 12. So 20 minus 12, you will get 8 centimeter. Therefore, the breadth of rectangle is 8 centimeter. Area of square, it is equivalent to side square, that is side of square is 10 centimeter. We can write it as 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, multiply it, you will get 100 centimeter square. So this is the area of square. Now area of rectangle, it is given by L into B, that is length into breadth. Length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. Multiply it, 12 into 8, it is 96 centimeter square. So the square encloses more area even though its perimeter is same as that of rectangle. Now come to example 5. The area of a square and a rectangle are equal if the side of a square is 40 centimeter and the breadth of rectangle is 25 centimeter. Find the length of the rectangle. Also find the perimeter of the rectangle. See the solution. Here area of a square is equivalent to side square, and here side of square it is 40 centimeter. Write it 40 centimeter into 40 centimeter, and if you multiply it you will get 1600 centimeters square. It is given that the area of rectangle, it is equivalent to the area of a square. Therefore area of rectangle, it is 1600 centimeter square, because area of square is 1600 centimeters square. Now breadth of rectangle is 25 centimeter. Here area of rectangle is given by is equivalent to length into breadth. Here area of rectangle, it is 1600, it is equivalent to length into breadth is given to you 25 centimeter. From here we have to find the value of L. The L is given by, bring 25 on left hand side, we will divide it, the 1600 upon 25, it is equivalent to length, and if you simplify it you will get length equal to 64 centimeter. So the length of rectangle is 64 centimeter. Now perimeter of rectangle, it is equivalent to 2 within the bracket length plus breadth. Now put the value of length and breadth. The 2 into length is 64 centimeter and breadth is 25 centimeter. Solve this, you will get 2 into 64 plus 25, it is 89. Now multiply it by 2, you will get 178 centimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle is 178 centimeter even though its area is same as that of the square.